Hi people, this is Amit. I'm going to tell you about shared computing. This is our company, Change Computer Services. We're trying to promote shared computing as much as we can because we know this is very cost effective. बहुत सारे लोगों को ये चीज़ नहीं पता है. This thing exists in India for the last 2 years. It was introduced in Hyderabad. मैं नेहरू प्लेस में गया इस चीज़ के बारे में पता करने, but not many people know about it. I will show you how this thing works. Right now it's a live demo. Shared computing क्या करता है? It connects one desktop to a separate desktop without the CPU, which is जो CPU होता है आपके कंप्यूटर का कैबिनेट, जिसमें आपका मदरबोर्ड, प्रोसेसर और हार्ड डिस्क और रैम ये सब लगती है, जो एक कंप्यूटर में सबसे एक्सपेंसिव पार्ट होता है. मैं आपको फोटोग्राफ के साथ दिखाता हूँ. ये कंप्यूटर actually forms of 3 components, 4 components. Your monitor, 4 components जो आपको दिखती हैं. Your monitor, your keyboard, your mouse and your cabinet. The most expensive of all these 4 is your cabinet. इस cabinet में आपका processor होता है, your motherboard, your RAM, your hard disk, your DVD drive. The whole cabinet itself costs at least 1000 rupees. So all in all ये जो आपका डब्बा है, this is called the cabinet. ये आपका होता है at least 14 to 15,000 rupees का. What shared computing does? Shared computing एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी है, ये आपको ये कहता है कि अगर आपने एक कंप्यूटर बना लिया है जिसमें आपने ये कंपोनेंट्स डाल दिए हैं and you have a tower, a cabinet, आप सिर्फ एक मॉनिटर लीजिए, एक कीबोर्ड लीजिए, एक माउस लीजिए और आपके पास एक दूसरा कंप्यूटर बन जाएगा. Which means अगर मैंने एक कंप्यूटर बना लिया है, आई डोंट नीड, मेरे पास ये दूसरा कैबिनेट होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप सिर्फ ये 3 चीज़ें लीजिए. यू जस्ट गेट 1 मॉनिटर, अ कीबोर्ड एंड 1 माउस एंड यू विल हैव शेयर्ड कंप्यूटिंग. आई विल शो इट टू यू हाउ. This is my desktop. This is my desktop. It has my CPU. This is my CPU. Now this CPU is connected to this desktop, which has a keyboard and a mouse. Alright, this desktop has 2 usernames. आप देखिए इसमें it will have an administrator and Amit, that is me. ये अभी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर से लॉगिन है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर से लॉग्ड इन है ये अभी. मैंने इसको क्या किया है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ शेयर्ड कंप्यूटिंग, व्हाट आई हैव डन इज़ आई हैव कनेक्टेड माय कंप्यूटर टू अ राउटर जो इसकी मेरे कंप्यूटर की आईपी एड्रेस राउट करता है. और एक और डेस्कटॉप ख़रीदने के लिए फॉर माय ऑफिस मेरे को एक पूरा कैबिनेट लेना पड़ता था. बट व्हाट आई हैव डन इज़ आई हैव गॉट 1 मॉनिटर. मैंने बस एक मॉनिटर लिया है, एक कीबोर्ड लिया है और एक माउस लिया है. और मुझे एक डिवाइस चाहिए होती है. दैट डिवाइस इज़ कॉल्ड शेयर्ड कंप्यूटिंग डिवाइस, विच इज़ दिस बॉक्स. दिस बॉक्स हैज़ 4 पोर्ट्स. एक पोर्ट होता है आपका मॉनिटर के लिए, वो है ये. एक पोर्ट होता है आपका कीबोर्ड के लिए और एक होता है माउस के लिए. और एक गाने सुनने के लिए ये पोर्ट भी होता है आपका, इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़ सम माइक और इफ़ यू वांट टू यूज़ सम स्पीकर्स इन इट. The most interesting part about this is your computer that is on. This is a second computer. इसमें कोई cabinet नहीं है. There is no cabinet in this. This has a box. मैं इस box को, इस पीछे की switch को on करता हूँ. I switch it on and you look at my computer without a CPU. ये भी स्टार्ट हो रहा है. दिस इज़ बूटिंग. दिस इज़ शेयर्ड कंप्यूटिंग. आई विल जस्ट क्लिक कनेक्ट. इट इज़ कनेक्टिंग राइट नाउ. इट इज़ आस्किंग मी फॉर अ यूज़र नेम. उस कंप्यूटर पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर से लॉग्ड इन है, सो आई कैन लॉग ऑन इनटू दिस शेयर्ड कंप्यूटर विद अनदर यूज़र नेम. So I will log in into this computer with Amit username. So I will type in here AMIT and click OK. It gives me a second desktop. So as you can see, there is no desktop here. I mean, there is no cabinet in my second computer. It's only one box. It's one cabinet which has all the RAMs, all the processors, all the hard disks that it needs. It is running one computer, which is the main computer. It is giving me another computer to use, which is the second computer. This is saving on my RAM cost. This is saving on my processor cost, your motherboard, hard disk, cabinet, etc. So on one PC you are saving at least 11,000 rupees. So if you need two PCs in your house, if you're in an office, you need 5 computers. On one main computer you can create up to 30 computers, right? But that's too much for one PC. I would say if you want to use shared computing, you can have at least 5 computers on one main computer. It's really cost effective. You आप खुद इसको calculate कीजिए. For every second PC you are spending 14,000-15,000 rupees to create a cabinet. Instead you're buying just one box, which will cost you about 3,000-4,000, depends on the quality that you buy, and you're getting the whole PC with just monitor, mouse and keyboard. So it's a very nice technology. Change Computer Services has introduced it in Delhi. Nehru Place mein most of the people don't know it. I have gone shop to shop in Nehru Place trying to find if they know something about it, and thankfully they don't know, because we are the unique ones who are introducing this in the market. So I hope and I am sure this will be really cost effective for you guys. I would just like to share our numbers with you all. If you think this is cost effective, because it definitely is. It saves a lot on your hardware, which I have shown to you all. It saves a lot on your hardware. If you have 5 computers, you will need to have 5 different softwares for all the computers, 5 different sets of softwares for all the computers, which means if you are a designing company and you're required to have Photoshop and Corel etc. installed on your PCs. Now these softwares costs you about 8,000 or 10,000 rupees per computer. Now for every computer you installing it 888, you do the math yourself. आप 40,000 रुपये खर्च करते हैं for installing Photoshop on 5 computers. If you do shared computing, not only you're saving on hardware, you're also saving on the software part. You're installing Photoshop in only one computer and you're using the same software on the other 4 computers at no cost, because you're sharing that computer to the other desktops with the help of this device. So it's really cost effective. If you want to know more about it, please call on these numbers. This is Bhuvan. You have the number here. You will get these numbers if you see this video on YouTube, you would see this below the video. वो numbers लिखे हैं वहाँ पे. This is Bhuvan. I am Amit. I have my number here. I have Aman's number here. He's taking care of our Gurgaon office. I have Nikhil's number. That's here. And I have 2 more people. I have Pradeep, the number is right here in front of you, and Ravi. I have shown this to you in front of you. It's no joke. It's only one cabinet, one monitor, one keyboard, mouse connected. This is a second monitor, keyboard and mouse, but no cabinet. It's really cost effective and it does save a lot on your money. So if you want to know more about it, please give me a call, or any one of us in Change Computer Services would be happy to come to your offices, to your houses, and give you a live demonstration in front of you to show you how this works. Alright, that's all. Thank you.